Hi, I had promised a tutorial for the double fringed flower, so here we go. This paper strip is about 1 inch wide. It has to be folded in half along its length. Like this. So here we are. What I have taken is 1 inch wide and 12 inches long. You will also need a thin black one. This is a 3 mm black strip, but it's optional. If you don't want to make a core, you don't really need this. Now, as I had explained in my fringing terminology tutorial, you need to keep in mind how deep you're cutting, at the angle which you are cutting, and the length. Okay? So leave about 3 mm on the open side. This is how I'm cutting. I'm retaining the angle at about 45 degrees, and then you start fringing. Try to keep the fringes as parallel to each other as possible, because that makes a lot of difference to the flower and how uniform it looks. And now as I fringe, I had promised Shailashri that I'll sing in the background, so hence goes the singing. Yeah, 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 yeah. एक तू एक मैं एक बात हुई अपनी, हैरान है क्यों सारा जहां जो रात हुई अपनी। एक तू एक मैं एक बात हुई अपनी, हैरान है क्यों सारा जहां जो रात हुई अपनी। मुझको भी है ज़रूरी मैं पूरी तलब लग गई, मुझे तो तेरी लत लग गई। ज़माना कहे लत ये गलत लग गई, मुझे तो तेरी लत लग गई। ज़माना कहे लत ये गलत लग गई, मुझे तो तेरी It's a classified boring job, fringing, but the effect at the end is so awesome, maybe the effort is worth it. कोमल काया की महामाया पुन्हा चांदण न्हारी, सोन्यात सिजले रुप्यात भिजले रत्नप्रभा तनुल्यारी, नटली थटली जशी उमटली चांदणी रंग महाली। मी यवन विजली पाऊन थिजली इंद्रसभा भवताली, अप्सरा आली इंद्रपुरी तुण खाली पसरली आली। रत्नप्रभा तनुल्याली ती हसली गाली, चांदणी रंग महाली अप्सरा आली, पुनव चांदण न्हाली. So here we are, the fringing is ready. Now hold the fringed part in such a way that the fringes are all aligned towards your left. Okay, now take the central black part. I like to use the core in this flower because according to me it looks really good. I've applied glue on both sides of the strip and I squeeze it in between the two layers of the fringed part and put it in there. or maybe I should put it this way. There we are, it's glued and ready. Now from this end, leave a bit of a tail and then start rolling. When you reach the fringing part, remember, please remember to glue it. I think Inna has already demonstrated how to do it. Now you have to go a little slow. After every single turn, put a bit of glue. In fact, I'd say a little more frequently than that. Here we are. Be very careful. It's not easy to get these fringes properly, so go slow. And be very careful that your quilling tool does not come out as you are rolling, because it's very difficult to push it back in. As you are rolling, it is normal for the paper to keep coming down a bit, as you can see here, so don't panic, we're doing the right thing. Enhanced gluing becomes very important, otherwise the whole thing will just spring out of your hands. Yeah, we are nearing completion. In the end, make sure you glue both the layers. I bring it here and it's glued. Wait for the paper to hold. Very gently pull it out. And here is the flower. That's ready. So it's not all that difficult, is it? Take care, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.